Carbon. There's too much of it in our atmosphere. As human activity continues to release more and more, the natural world is struggling to keep up. However, carbon isn't actually a bad thing. It's one of nature's building blocks. We just have too much of it in the wrong place. At FLOR, we are utilizing materials that have sequestered carbon from the atmosphere and are using them to create our carbon-negative area rugs. Our collection draws more carbon from the air than it releases from the extraction of the raw materials through manufacturing. The carbon-negative materials in our Sequest backing, in combination with ECONYL yarn and our tufting processes, result in carbon-negative rugs. The finished product brings together beautiful design, durability, and a negative carbon footprint that ultimately benefits you and the planet. As we think about tomorrow, today, we know we have a responsibility to do better. When we stop seeing carbon as the enemy and start using it as a resource, we can create something meaningful.